Hey guys, this is Nick with the American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I have with me another one of our bargain bike specials. This is a 2004 Suzuki Hayabusa GSX1300R. It's got a 1300cc liquid-cooled engine, inline 4-cylinder, backed by a 6-speed transmission. Now you can already see right here why this is one of our bargain bikes. It's got quite a bit of wear right here on this fairing. It's been dropped. We keep our bargain bikes in a separate area from the frontline bikes. We offer excellent deals on them, so we can pass the savings on to you. It's got a nice copper and black looking paint scheme. Some chrome Hayabusa symbols here. This bike's got a dual Yoshimura RS3 exhaust. Sounds real good on that 1300 motor. You can see the battery tender pigtail here. This bike has been through our service shop, so even though you do see some cosmetic issues, it is ready to ride. It's got a nice rear tire here on the back, a lot of tread. See that dual exhaust looks pretty tough. Got your passenger pillion seat here with the grab bar, and then you got the passenger pegs down there. Now the Hayabusa isn't your typical sport bike. It does have a big motor in it with a lot of power, makes a lot of torque, real easy to ride, but it's way more comfortable than your typical sport bike. It's got a more relaxed seating position. It's more of a sport touring bike. Got a zero gravity tinted windscreen on it. Got your chrome cover here on the triple tree. See how many miles this 04's got. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like 11,911 miles. Relatively low for the year model. I'll go ahead and fire it up so you can hear those Yoshimura pipes. And you gotta have the clutch in. Starts right up, nice and easy. Revs up nice and clean. I'll go ahead and walk around the bike with you. I can point out some of those areas. Showed this to you earlier. It's got significant wear on this right side fairing. Been dropped on this side. It's got some markings on the windscreen. Small spot there on the front fender. Some wear and tear on the levers right here on this fairing. Got some area right there. Looks like you got a little area right here on the engine cover. Tank looks pretty good except for that small spot right there. Other than that, it's pretty clean. Got an area there on the tail fender, the fairing. If you'd like to know more about this bike, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. or you can visit our website at cleanharleys.com. Check out our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. So it'd be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for watching.